Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss translational machinery. Different materials are required for the process of translation such as ribosomes, amino acids, tRNA, amino acid tRNA synthetase, mRNA, etc. So the very first, ribosomes. We know very well that ribosome has two subunits which requires magnesium ion for the attachment. In rest of the cases, they remain separate. We know very well that in case of eukaryotes, they are having 80s of ribosomes, while in case of prokaryotes, they are having 70s of ribosomes. In case of eukaryotes, the 80s ribosomes are composed of two subunits which are 60s and 40s. 60s again made up of 28s rRNA, 5s rRNA and 5.8s rRNA. Plus 50 different type of proteins, whereas 40s subunit is composed of 18s rRNA plus 33 different type of proteins. 70s, in case of prokaryote, ribosome are made up of two subunits, one is 50s and another one is 30s. 50s is made by 23s plus 5s rRNA plus 32 different type of proteins, whereas 30s subunit is made by 16s rRNA plus 21 different type of proteins. The smaller subunit of ribosome has recognition site for the mRNA. A channel is produced when two subunits come together, which allow the passage of mRNA. Larger subunit has a polypeptide exit tunnel and an enzyme peptidyl transferase for peptide bond formation. In the next case, there are three different sites for tRNA. Larger subunit has, which are E exit site, P peptidyl site and A amino site, enzyme site. They are also the site for binding of initiation factor, elongation factor, translocase, termination factor, etc. Second one is amino acids. 20 different type of amino acid take part in the process of translation, which are required for the formation of any kind of peptide chain. Next one is tRNAs. A tRNA take part in carrying of amino acid from the cellular pool to the region of polypeptide synthesis over the ribosome. tRNA साइटोप्लाज्म से अमाइनो एसिड्स को कैरी करके लाता है mRNA के पास, जहां पर प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस हो रहा है. So also called as adapter molecules, or they are known as carrying molecules for the amino acids. Next one is amino acyl tRNA synthetase. It is an enzyme specific for combining a particular tRNA to its particular amino acid, and it is specific for amino acid. Next one is mRNA. mRNA possesses the coded information from dRNA. It may be monocystronic or polycystronic. A cystone is a transcriptional unit over mRNA which is flanked by start and stop codons. सिस्टोन जो है वो एक ट्रांसलेशनल यूनिट होती है जिसके दोनों तरफ, एक तरफ स्टार्ट कोडोन होता है और दूसरी तरफ स्टॉप कोडोन होता है. mRNA also have nucleotide sequence which are not translated and termed as UTR or the untranslated regions. mRNA के पास कुछ ऐसे न्यूक्लियोटाइड का सीक्वेंस भी प्रेजेंट होता है जो कि ट्रांसलेट नहीं होता है और उसको हम कहते हैं अनट्रांसलेटेड रीजन, जो कि दोनों तरफ at the both the ends 5' end और 3' end दोनों की तरफ प्रेजेंट होते हैं. UTRs are required for the proper and efficient translation. UTRs के रिक्वायरमेंट जो है वो एक प्रॉपर और एफिशिएंट ट्रांसलेशन के लिए होती है, which are cap region in eukaryotes at the 5' end and Shine-Dalgarno sequence in case of prokaryotes. This is all about the machinery of translation. In the next, we will discuss about the process of translation.